Are you looking for the best stoves for backpacking and hiking in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the stoves for backpacking and hiking in 2022 fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MSR Winburner. New on the scene, the MSR Winburner has come straight in at pole position, outranking even the most popular integrated stove systems including the Jetboil backpacking stove. MSR have taken the best features of other models and made them even better in the MSR Winburner. And although it is an expensive option for the price-conscious backpacker, its unrivaled prowess in blustery conditions make it worth the investment and one of the best backpacking stoves for fast and light hikers and trekkers. MSR's radiant burner technology provides excellent fuel efficiency, and their intelligent design has produced a stable and reliable little camping burner. At number 2. MSR Dragonfly. The MSR Dragonfly portable camping and backpacking stove is ideal for outdoor use and global travel. Durable and collapsible, the Dragonfly features precision simmering performance and is designed to burn a variety of fuels, making it easy to use just about anywhere for outdoor cooking. The stove boils 1 liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, and the dual valve makes it easy to go from a simmer to a rolling boil at the twist of a knob. Suited to all kind of adventures, the tough, stable base handles pots, pans, and outdoor cookware up to 10 inches in diameter, making it ideal for group and guide service settings. The suspended burner cup promotes efficiency and reduces heat loss to the ground for faster food prep. The MSR Dragonfly portable camping and backpacking stove is easily maintained in the field, thanks to Shaker Jet technology, which cleans the stove with just a few shakes. Stove weighs 14 ounces, measures 10.5 x 7 x 4 inches open, and collapses to 3.5 x 3.5 x 6.5 inches for convenient transport. Manufacturer's limited 3-year warranty. Made in the USA. At number 3. Solostove Lite. The Solostove Lite is one of the most efficient and lightweight wood-burning stoves out there. Small enough to store inside your cooking pot but big enough to put out an excellent heat source for cooking up your well-earned meal and warming your hands at the same time. The cleverly designed double wall creates a system of air and smoke combustion that provides super efficient wood burning. As a result, the fire burns with very little smoke output. Provided you are in an area where dry wood is abundant, and you don't plan on cooking anything too complex, the Solostove offers an excellent alternative to liquid fuel stoves with the added romance and nostalgia of campfire cooking. Using our patented design and specialized construction process, we have created one of the most efficient wood-burning stoves you'll ever own. The Solostove Lite is built to last, made out of premium grade 304 stainless steel. The Solostove Lite was built with our Solostove Pot 900, sold separately, in mind. When not in use, store the Solostove Lite inside the Pot 900 in safe space. This set is surely the most versatile and portable backpacking cook set for all your outdoor adventures. Our stoves are burn wood cleanly and efficiently. Using wood allows us to find fuel wherever our adventures take us. Any dry twigs, pine cones or leaves will burn, but for optimum efficiency we recommend dry hard woods. At number 4. Esbit Ultralight Folding Titanium Stove. You will seriously struggle to find a backpacking stove and fuel system that is lighter and simpler to use than the Esbit Ultralight Folding Titanium Stove. And although using Esbit tablets aren't to the tastes of many camp cooks, this really is a handy and inexpensive option to have as a backup stove or to make the odd cup of tea here and there. The foldable stand provides decent stability for pots and pans, and it packs down into a tiny mesh bag that will hang from your backpack or slip into your pocket.